Every single day, people are desperate for cash. They're at a gas station at 2 a.m., at a bar late night, at a small shop that doesn't take cards. Over time, someone reaches that moment of, I need cash right now. When that happens, I make money. Not $3 or more. I'm talking about real money from a single cash emergency. Let me show you how this works. We place ATMs at fairs and festivals where people don't have any cash. They need cash to get into the event. They need cash to buy food or beverages. These events don't take credit cards. They only take cash. This is a beautiful thing that people will line up to take money out of your ATM. They will literally pay us money to get their own money out of the bank. Being in the ATM business, we realize the need for cash. We find opportunities where businesses need cash, and we solve those challenges and provide an ATM to those businesses, and in turn, we make tons of cash. Cash emergencies are predictable and profitable. People will always need cash at inconvenient times and inconvenient places. Smart business owners position themselves to be the solution when traditional options aren't available. The more urgent someone needs cash, the more they are willing to pay for the convenience. This creates premium pricing opportunities that go far beyond normal ATM fees, especially in strategic locations or during events when cash becomes scarce. Now hold on, before we get to the rest of the video, I want to take time for the question of the day. I ask you guys a question, you answer in the comment section below. So here is the question. When was the last time you guys desperately needed cash and there was no solution? I'm excited to hear your answers in the comment section below. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. Cash emergencies are so valuable. When someone desperately needs cash, price becomes secondary to availability. They are not shopping around for the cheapest options. They need a solution immediately and are willing to pay a premium rate. An example of this is one time I had to go to the local jailhouse and bail out a friend. They didn't take credit cards. All they did is take cash. There was an ATM on the property. I didn't care what the rate was. My friend was in the clink and I had to get him out. So what did I do? Whatever the rate was. I didn't have enough money, but we had an ATM on the property and then we were able to get this person. These are the kind of places that make money, and price is no object. The economics of urgency, a single well-placed ATM during a cash shortage can generate, which normally takes months to earn. Understand when and where people get desperate for cash allows them to charge premium rates that people gladly pay because they solve an immediate problem. I challenge you to see cash emergencies as a business opportunity instead of an inconvenience. Paint the picture of being the person who profits from solving urgent problems rather than being the person who has those problems. We in the ATM business solve problems. We provide people with access to cash when they need access to cash. They will pay a premium to get access to that cash. This creates real opportunity for us who are in the ATM business. So if you want to learn more about how to position yourself as the solution solver when people desperately need cash and discover high profit strategies that turn emergencies into windfalls, you should watch more of our videos on my channel to see specific tactics. If you're ready to start profiting every time someone has a cash emergency, enroll in my ATM A to Z course and learn how to turn people urgent needs into reliable income. Please like and subscribe to our channel, join our ATM Mastermind community, and I'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video. Thank you guys very much.